Hey guys, have you ever had a haircut? Especially in this situation? Oh no, the battery is out. This situation is really funny and annoying. Okay, today the customer brought me this hair clipper. Okay, turn it on. Look at the light. Red light. The power is low. And when you're in this situation, I'm sure that you're really annoyed. Okay, he doesn't want to be in this situation, so he wants me to replace the battery. Here we go. Okay, let's continue opening it up to see what's inside. Okay, here we go. It's really difficult. Glue, yes. We have a battery. If you want to replace this battery, you have to take the board and the battery out. And then let's take the circuit board out. Okay, so be careful. Look at that. What we have got is the battery 18500. Okay, Panasonic. A brand new battery. Okay, let's stick. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna to make connector in order to lead solder to the circuit board. Let's take the old battery out. Be careful. Okay, here it is. Let's connect the brand new battery to the circuit board. So you need to be careful. Okay, almost done. So next step, we have to connect the motor to the circuit board, and there we go. Okay. Okay, I have done. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, I think after replacing a brand new battery, this hair clipper is improving the battery life. A brand new battery is the best choice for replacing. Okay, almost done. That's it for today. And if you think If you see this video is useful, let's stick around, click subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye, see you.